Okay, got it home, washed it. Not a I'm going to a show and shine wash, but just a wash to assess some damage and see what else was hidden under the dirt. She fared very well. Some scratches on the powder coat. Obviously the windshield frame, light bar, and brackets, but that hood doesn't have a mark on it. That was my main concern. But I'll do a quick walk around. I mean, little powder coat, you know, scratched up here and there, but that's no big deal. That's what I do for a living, so I can fix it. Crunch that again. So it's time to redo that panel. Gotta make me a new sticker. Got the door. Some of these scratches obviously were already here. And I'm not sure when I did that. But all in all, she lives to see another day. I've already got a spare windshield frame, so all I gotta do is powder coat it and slap some glass in it and call it a day. See you on the trails.